General Morrison would say we're the most tested platform in the Department of Defense. I would agree with them. I think we're actually exceeded significantly. We've been through so many different red teams, DoD and IC red teams, and we're very good. Nobody's unhackable, but we're very good. Better than anything else that any of the red teams have seen on the market today. And that matters because we were like, man, security is the way. What we've really found actually in deployment is the dual use piece of this. It's not just security as well. It's privacy. It's people using their personal device. To be honest, they don't want big DoD looking over their shoulder at what they're using their personal device for. It's their device. And there should be isolation in that privacy, and they should have a right to be able to do whatever they want to do on their own personal device, but still be empowered to securely communicate with their employer, with the government, with their, whatever else it happens to be. This was really purely a security play. What we found is it's actually a privacy play with really good security. So the idea that that edge user can maintain their privacy and have access to secure information, because we, by design, don't send data. We don't have data in transit or at rest on the edge device. So the edge device actually isn't exposed to any of the liabilities or risks of accessing that secure environment.